This video will cover how to install OpenVDM to a clean Ubuntu 18.04 image. The image is installed on a DigitalOcean virtual machine. The virtual machine is set up with 4 GB of RAM and 50 GB of disk space. Here the virtual machine is being reset with a clean Ubuntu 18.04 image. With the image reset, we will now start the installation process. Log into the system as the root user. Since this is a new image, it's good practice to update the system packages and libraries. Running a dist upgrade will update the system kernel. If you choose to do this, it's good practice to reboot after the update. With the system updates complete, we can now install the OpenVDM software. OpenVDM is installed via an installation script. The installation script is available on the OpenVDM GitHub page. Go to the install.md file for instructions on how to download and run the installation script. The installation script will ask several questions. The first is to assign a hostname for the server. Here, the registered URL for the VM is entered. Next, we need to specify which GitHub repository to download from, as well as which branch of the repository to use for the installation. Next, we need to set up a system user. This system user will be the owner of the data files managed by OpenVDM, as well as the user OpenVDM will use to connect to the MySQL database. Here the password is set for the database user. Next, the root password for the MySQL database service is configured. Finally, we set the root data directory for OpenVDM. This will become the parent directory for all cruise data directories. At this point, the installation script downloads and installs the necessary dependencies. Here the script is confirming that the root data directory set for OpenVDM is correct and should be created. If it is incorrect, saying no here will quit the script. Here the script has completed. The OpenVDM system is now installed. To confirm the installation, in a web browser, go to the system hostname set at the beginning of the installation script. For more information on OpenVDM, please check out the links in the description.